Well, hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing of the LOKLIK iCRAFT cutting machine. I was sent this machine by LOKLIK and asked to review and show my viewers the exclusive early bird price that they are offering on this machine. It is on pre-sale at the moment. Original price is $229 and now they're offering it for $199, and you will get an additional $10 off if you use the discount code DeVyne10. So here I am just showing you on their website the features of this machine, and this one is the Daisy White, which is the one that I got. This new LOKLIK iCRAFT cutting machine is precision engineered to cut with accuracy down to 0.5 millimeter, making it the ultimate companion for crafting. Some of the selling points are 100 plus vast material range, precise tracing, matless full-length cuts, AI generated designs, robust art library for free, which is inside the Idea Studio, which is a software that you download on your laptop, and that is filled with all of the art that you need. So easy. I will leave all the links down in my description box for you so you can check that out. So since I'm here on the website, let me just introduce to you the 4 easy steps. Power up your LOKLIK iCRAFT. Step 2, connect the machine to the LOKLIK Idea Studio or the app on your phone. Step 3, load the material and cutting mat into the machine. And step 4, design your image and set up the cutting parameters to cut. Then just press cut and you're off to the races. So in this video, I'll just unbox and show you what I got and set up the machine. In my next video, I will show you how I use it to craft. So here I'm just showing you all the items that I received in my box. I already took the machine out of the box. So here we have the cutting mat and the vinyl. We have the fine point housing and the fine point blade. We have 2 blades, and we have the pen housing. This is the manual and a quick guide or a quick setup guide, and this is the holder that's attached to the side of the machine. Then we have the adapter, the power adapter, as well as the USB cable. And here I'm connecting both cords, the USB cable and the power adapter, to the machine. Now the USB cable is used if you don't have Bluetooth set up. You can use that to connect to your laptop or your computer. And then here I open the machine and remove those protective cards that were inside. And then I turned that on. Now this is additional stuff that they sent me. You will not get this in the set that you purchase. This was additional, but I'm just showing you what it is. So what it is a roller kit that has a blade. So you put the rolls on there and you can use the blade to cut off whatever amount you need. And this is the scoring stylus. This is for paper. This is a LOKLIK foil transfer kit. And these are some additional vinyls. Now I'm going to be setting up the blade inside the machine. So I open that and I'm going to use the fine point blade housing and one of the fine point blade. So the point has a little protective cover. I removed that and then dropped the blade down into the housing and then secured it into the case. And once I dropped it down into the casing, I closed back the latch. And this is where I was saying, if you're not using the USB cable, you can use your Bluetooth to connect via Bluetooth. Now I'm going to use the Bluetooth version. I've already downloaded the app on my computer. So here I'm going to find device, machine, calibration, because before you use the machine, you have to calibrate it, meaning let it get a picture of your software so that they can communicate. So this is the LOKLIK iCRAFT, so that's already selected. Then I'm going to click next, and here it says print then cut function, because that's the one that I'm going to be using. That is already selected. Then I click next, and you, like I said, you can use the USB or the Bluetooth. I'm going to select the Bluetooth since my USB cord is not selected. So you click that and then click that for refresh. And here it says it's connect. You just click connect, and here it's reading it. And now the machine is calibrating. So now that's done, we're going to move on to the next step. And the next step is basically the calibration process, which I will let you watch while I remind you that the purpose of this video is to introduce you to the LOKLIK iCRAFT cutting machine and their pre-sale Black Friday extravaganza, which is happening now. You will get a 30% discount of the price of the LOKLIK machine and an additional 10% if you use the discount code DeVyne10, which is down in my description box below. In my next video, I will show you how I use this machine. So be sure to catch the sale while it lasts, Black Friday, between now and December 1st. And don't forget to use the discount code as well. Treat yourself to Christmas. This is your treat. Grab it before the pre-sale ends, my friend, and come back to see how I use this machine in my next video. So until then, stay safe, my friends, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.